This is the 275R Airflow Mid-Tower ATX case, which has modern styling and maximum airflow. It features a sleek and slatted front panel design, which allows cool air to be channeled to your PC's hottest components. The 275R includes three 120mm fans for powerful and efficient cooling right out of the box. With room for up to 6 120mm fans and multiple mounts for radiators up to 360mm, there's plenty of options and configurations to keep your PC running cool. There's also no shortage on storage. With two low-profile 2.5-inch drive mounts, two removable 2.5-inch drive brackets, and two drive trays that can each accommodate 3.5-inch or 2.5-inch drives. That's a total of 6 drives in your system. The 275R's intuitive routing channels and tie-downs make for simple and tidy cabling, which helps keep your build looking super clean. And to show off your amazing cable management skills and those shiny new components, the 275R comes with a tempered glass side panel. The 275R Airflow combines modern design with strong cooling performance. For more information, head on over to Corsair.com.